Good morning, students. Now see about the topic is a lesson 1. Good morning, students. The physical science. Now see about the topic is a unit 4 matter. Okay, chemistry first lesson is matter. Okay, so introduction part. What is matter? Now see about the day-to-day life we are using is a chemical substance. Okay, most of the events are used for the chemical substance in our kitchen. Okay, so first we are used the solid substance for milk, liquid substance, then gas. Okay, we are used cooking your mother, we used for gas. Okay, you're drinking daily for milk. Okay, so solid substance we eat the solid items, okay, cake or buns or etc. Okay, so we are used is a solid form, liquid form and gas. The three are formed at the space around is known as matter. Okay, so the universe is the phenomena and evaluations of a life is caused by the matter and energy. So matter also gives us some energy. Okay, so the various objects we are used for same kind of or any other kind of matter. Okay, so for example, we purchase some of the objects through our sense, like through the sight or touch or hearing or taste and smelling. Okay, whatever you observe the sense of human, we observe the substance is a glass or any taste like this sambar smell or masala smell. This you are smelling and tasting, you recognize the smell whatever. Okay, so all kinds of matters possess masses and occupy the space. So all kind of matter possess some heavy and other are light are used for matter. Okay, so the matter is simply is defined anything which occupies the space or volume. Okay, anything occupies space or volume and mass. Okay, so the perceively our sense. Okay, so already you know matter is exists for is a three types of. One is solids, liquids, other one is gases. Okay, so solid, the solid substance for what? Example, wood, stone, sand, iron. Okay, you are used in the benches, all are as solids, etc. Okay, so some of the liquids also used for you drink water, milk, fruit juice, etc. Okay, so next gases means like is oxygen, hydrogen, nitrogen, carbon dioxide. So we are used for gas. Okay, steam, etc. for gas. So there are the three types of matter. One is a solid, other one is liquids, other one is gas. Okay, so the matter is defined as anything which occupies the space or volume and mass. Okay, this is a matter. Okay, first part is clear. What is matter? Matter is defined anything which occupies the space. Okay, next, how matter is the compound of. Matter is any physical state is composed of smaller particles. Smaller particles means is for example chalk piece. You take the chalk piece is a tiny particles are most of the tiny particles are combined to form a chalk piece. Okay, so the smallest particles, very smallest particles is known as atom. Okay, so the atoms, molecules and ions. So what is mean by atom? Atom is a very tiny particles, very smallest tiny particles. Okay, next, molecules means the made up of atoms of same or different kinds, two or more. Okay, two or more made up of atoms of same or different kinds. Okay, hence the atoms are building block of matter. So atoms, molecules, ions are combined to form a matter. Okay, so the matter is composed of what? Atom, molecules, ions are all building blocks of called matter. Okay, so that means matter. Next, first one is the atom. Atom is a very tiny particles. Okay, is exhibit all properties of the element. Okay, atoms is a very tiny particles. Is it may or may not be exist independently. Okay, so every chemical reactions is a part of atoms are present. Okay, so this atom is a very smallest particles or tiny particles of the element. Okay, next second one is molecules. Okay, molecules means atoms of same element or different element. Okay, molecules means atoms of same element or different elements combined to form, that means molecule. Okay, molecules enadhu atoms of small same element or different elements combined to form a molecules. So molecule is the smallest particles of a pure substance. Molecules is the smallest particles of a pure substance. Are you clear? So ions. Next, this is a ions. Ions means is the atoms or group of atoms having a charge. Okay, atoms or group of atoms, single atoms or group of atoms having a charge, that means ions. Okay, charge means that means a positive charge or negative charge. You see about the battery, there is a two end. Okay, one is a positive, other one is a negative. So charges are produced. So the battery is the two ends of charge, that means ions. Okay, so positive or negative. So the atoms, single atom or group of atoms having a some amount of charge, that means is a positive or negative charge. Okay, this is called ions. So ஒரு டினி பார்ட்டிகல்ஸாக இருந்த ஆட்டம், அந்த டினி பார்ட்டிகல்ஸ் எல்லாம் மேடப் ஆஃப் பண்ணுறது மாலிகுல்ஸ். அந்த மாலிகுல்ஸ், ஆட்டம்ஸ், அயான்ஸ் எல்லாம் சேர்ந்தது தான் என்னென்னு சொல்கிறோம், இஸ் அ மேட்டர். ஆர் யூ கிளியர்? ஓகே, நெக்ஸ்ட்டு is a matter. Anything which occupies the space and has mass. Already I told. Okay, so anything which occupies the space and has mass. That means this is the ice cube. That is the water. Ice cube means is a solid substance. Ice cube means is a solid substance. Next, it means is a liquid substance. Liquid substance means water. Okay, this is a gas. Is a format for gas. Okay, these are the matters occupies the space and has the mass. So we are used the liquid form, solid form and gas. Okay, so next, the matter is molecules. Matter is any physical state composed of smaller particles. Matter is any physical state composed of smaller particles. Okay, so matter is a made up of for what? Is atoms, molecules, compounds and ions all are together to form a matter. Are you clear? So molecules, atoms, compounds, ions are made up of called the matter. So matter is a any physical state composed of smaller particles, that means matter. Are you clear, students? Okay, next, why we are used the symbols. Okay, why we are used the symbols. Okay, a symbol is an image. Okay, symbol is an image, object, etc. That means it stands for some meaning. Okay, symbol is an image, object, etc. that stands for some meaning. Okay, that means we have used symbol. Okay, so the dove is symbol. Okay, the dove is one of the symbol, is a symbol for what? Represents for peace. Okay, this dove symbol is represent for peace. So similarly we denote the mathematical operations is also used the some symbol. Okay, so addition, that means plus. subtraction, that means minus, division, that means divided by. Okay, so some or symbols are used for mathematical. Okay, so that way we are used in chemistry. In each element is denoted by a certain symbol. Okay, so the writing out the name of an element every time is a large, that means is a spelling is a large, that every time you did not write the full form of name, so write a short name, that means it's a symbol, that is the name of the element is represented by the shortened form, that means symbol. It is the short form to represent the element. Elementoda short form then enna solrom, symbols. Are you clear? Okay, next Greek symbol. Okay, symbols of elements, that means first one is Greek symbols. Okay, let us learn the history of symbols of elements. First history is a Greek symbol. The symbol is a form of shape. Which shape? Is a geometrical shape. That means this is a geometrical shapes. Okay, were those used by an ancient Greeks to represent the four basic elements around, such as what? Earth, air, fire and water. Okay, so used an ancient Greeks to represents four basic elements. Four basic elements. What are the four basic elements? One is earth, other one is air, next one is fire, next one is water. Are you clear? So we are used the Greek symbol. First we are used the symbols for, first one is Greek symbols. Okay, so Greek symbols is a geometrical shape. Is a very important point. The Greek symbol is a geometrical shape. Next used by an ancient Greeks. Okay, the used by ancient Greeks to represent the four basic elements. What are the four basic elements? One is earth, second one is air, third one is fire, fourth one is water. Okay, the air symbol is represent a triangle, is a simply draw the single line for including the triangle. Okay, so that means air. This is the air symbol. Fire symbol is a triangle. Then opposite direction of triangle means water. Okay, that means air opposite triangle means for earth. Okay, so this is a feminine. This is the column for feminine passive. This column for masculine active. Okay, so that means dry. Fire is a warm, is a air, is a moist, cold and dry. The four columns are used for this atmosphere. So dry, warm, moist and cold. Okay, so we are used the Greek symbols to represent the basic elements earth, air and fire, then water. Okay, so we are used for the first used for the Greek symbol. Next symbol is alchemist symbol. Next symbol we are used for alchemist symbol. Okay, next symbols we are used alchemist symbols. The alchemist we are used for different materials that are used to represent above maintained. The symbols will try to change less valuable metal into gold. Okay, less valuable metal into gold. Okay, so the process was alchemy. This process is called alchemy. Okay, the man who did his work were known as alchemist. Are you clear? Alchemist symbols we are used, different materials are used for alchemist. So they represents the above maintained symbols is try to change less valuable to the metal. So the John Dalton in 1808 tried to name various elements. The symbol is known as Dalton symbol. Are you clear? Alchemist symbol we are used for less value of metals into gold. This process was called alchemy. This process where did this work is known as alchemist. Okay, next symbol is Dalton. John Dalton is tried to name various elements in the year for 1808. Okay, so the John Dalton is the scientist for is an English scientist. Okay, to name various elements based these pictorial symbols. Okay, these symbols are difficult to draw. Okay, these symbols are draw difficult, so they are not used for this symbol. Okay, the pictorial symbols, for example, nickel, this diagram for this. Okay, arsenic is a diagram for this symbol. Okay, so next antimony the represents a picture for is a cipher plus. Okay, next water symbols, already you know, for what is a opposite to the triangle. Okay, this we are used for the Dalton, but this is a critical one, so we are not used for this symbol. Okay, next the Dalton symbols is 1808 AD, that is CE symbols and formula. Okay, for example, hydrogen oda symbol is a circle, then center of the point is dot. Okay, that is the hydrogen symbol. Next is a nitrogen symbol. Okay, so already we know very well what are the elements: hydrogen, nitrogen, carbon, sulfur, phosphorus, alumina, soda, potash, next oxygen, copper, lead, water is a liquid form. Okay, so these are used for this chemistry. So first the hydrogen of the symbol is this one. Next nitrogen symbol is a cross for circle. Next carbon symbol, next sulfur symbol is a cross. Next is a phosphorus symbols. Next alumina is a 4 dot. Okay, next soda oda symbol is a 2 parallel line. Okay, so the potash ash, adutha potash, adutha is a oxygen symbol is simply round. Okay, so the next copper symbol, next lead symbol, next water symbol. Are you clear? Water means H2O, so that means H2O means hydrogen symbol is for what? Is the circle dot. Okay, next oxygen symbol is simply round, so we are used for H2O means water. Okay, next ammonia means is a NH4. Is a NH4 means nitrogen is nitrogen symbol. H4 means is a circle dot. Okay, so we are used the ammonia, but the symbol is remembering is difficult, so we are not used, but you know. Okay, so we read. Next olefin, next carbon dioxide, next carbonic acid, next carbonic oxide, then next carbonic acid, next sulfuric acid. We are used for these symbols for used for what? As a John Dalton. Okay, so try to name various elements, but they are this difficulty, the diagrams draw difficult, so we are not used for this symbol. Next symbol we are is innovate to the John Jacob Berzelius in 1813 derived system using alphabetical letters. This method symbol is known as a Berzelius symbol. Okay, so the modified versions of Berzelius system follows under the heading that means system for determining symbols of the elements. The systems of determining symbols of elements. Okay, the present system of determining symbols of elements. First point. Okay, if see about the first point, mostly non-metals use first letter. Okay, non-metals use first letter of this English name. Okay, scientist நிறைய கண்டுபிடிச்சாங்க, அதில் பெர்சிலியஸ் சிம்பிள்ஸ் தான் ஈஸியாக இருக்குது. ஏன்னா இஸ் அல்ஃபபெட்டிக்கல் ஆர்டரில் அரேஞ்ச் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கிறதுனால எலிமெண்ட்ஸ் நேம் வந்து ஈஸியாக என்ன பண்ணலாம், நம்ம அனலைஸ் பண்ணலாம். ஸோ வி ஆர் யூஸ்ட் தி இஸ் அல்ஃபபெட்டிக்கல் ஆர்டர். Okay, so first point, the symbols of most of the common elements, mainly non-metals or metals, we are used in first letter of the English name. Okay, first letter of the English name. For example, is a first elements name, next symbols. Elements name for first one boron means first letter B, so the symbols we are used B. Okay, capital B. Next element is a carbon we are used the symbol is C, capital C. Okay, next we are used the fluorine the symbols for capital F. Okay, next element is iodine symbol is capital I. Next element oxygen is used for O. Okay, so these metals, these elements are also known as is a non-metals. Okay, these are non-metals. We are used the first letter for symbols. Okay, B, C, F, I and O. Okay, etc. Next, phosphorus, sulfur, vanadium. Next, uranium, all are etc. These symbols is a non-metals. We are used for the English letter, English name of the first letter. Okay, next is a second property is if the name of the element has the same initial letters as another element, then the symbols used first and second letters of the element's name. Some metals are used for the same name, same initial varum. Okay, same initial varappa is the second letter we are used for the element name. So for example is the aluminium. Okay, aluminium, we represent the symbol Al. Okay, aluminium symbol is Al. For example, next barium. Barium means Ba. First letter capital B, second letter small a. Is a rule. First letter is capital, second letter is also used for is a small letter. Okay, is a rule for element's name. Okay, next beryllium. Beryllium. For barium and beryllium is the same first letter. Also B. So we are used first letter B, second letter also we are used. So Ba means barium, Be means beryllium. Next bromine. Bromine means B smaller. Okay, so first letter and second letter. Next cobalt. Cobalt means CO. Okay. Next helium. Helium means He. These are the symbols. Okay, appo first letter irundha nama first non metals ku first letter capital letter mattu use pannom symbol. Second point la first letter and second letter same enna pandrom oru rendu metals ku same letters first letter vandaduna adha avoid pandradhukku confuse aidum, adanal enna pandrom second letter yum add pandrom. Are you clear? Okay, next third point, if the first two letters of the elements are same. Suppose two letters, first two letters some elements ku same irunduchu, same ah irunduchina adha nama enna pananum, the symbols consist of first letter and second or third letter of the English name they do not have in common. Are you clear? Okay, for example is the arsenic. Arsenic means AR. Argon means AR. So we are not right. Arsenic means AR. Argon means AS. Okay. Argon means AR and arsenic means AS. The chlorine is chlorine Cl. Next chromine. Chromine means Cr. Next cadmium. Cadmium means Cd. Calcium. Calcium means Ca. Okay. Calcium means Ca. Next magnesium is Mg. Manganese means Mn. Okay, so we are used for this method. Okay, next is a fourth one is some symbols are used on the basis of their old names or Latin names of an element. There are 11 elements are used. Okay, so Latin word, for example the name of the element is copper, the Latin name is cuprum, the symbol is Cu. Okay, next the name of the element is silver, next Latin name is argentinum, is the symbol is Ag. Okay, next the name of the element is gold, next Latin name is aurum, the symbol is Au. Okay, next mercury. Mercury is hydrarium, Hg. Okay, next lead. Lead is plumbum, is a P. First letter P, next letter B. Okay, next tin, stannum, is a Sn. Okay, next antimony. Antimony is Latin name is tibium, is a symbol is Sb. Okay, next some fifth point, some elements are named using name of the country or scientist or colors or mythological characters or planet. We are used the elements. Okay, that elements for americium. Americium means America. Appa so Am, the symbol is Am. America means country. Okay, next europium. Europium means EU, Europe country. Okay, next nobelium. Nobelium means No, is Alfred Nobel, is a scientist or a name. Okay, next iodine. Iodine means I means violet color, Greek. Okay, next mercury. Mercury means Hg. Next gold, mercury, that means metallurgical character. Okay, next plutonium. Plutonium means Bu, Pluto or Pluto. Pluto means plant. Okay, it's a planet. Okay, next neptunium. Neptunium also is a planet. So Neptune, NP. Okay, Neptune means NP. We are used the scientist name. Okay, now a small recap for this lesson. First is a what is matter. What is matter? Matter is a tiny particles and molecules are all are made up of. That means some occupies the space. Okay, that means matter. Okay, some occupies the space, anything which occupies the space or volume, that means matter. Okay, the matter is compound, that means the smallest particles of atoms, molecules, ions, compounds are all are building blocks known as matter. Okay, that is the three types of anything which occupies the space and has mass. So the three types of types, what are the three types? One is there is a liquid, solid and gas. Okay, solid, liquid and gas. Okay, next is the atoms. Atoms means is a very small particles, exhibits all properties of that element, so it may or may not exist independently. Okay, so next molecules. Molecules means atoms of same element or different elements combined to form a molecule. A molecule is the smallest particles of a pure substance which can exist independently. Okay, that is a physical and chemical properties of the substance. Okay, next ions. Ions means atoms or group of atoms having a charges, that means single atom or group of atoms having a charge, that means called ions. Okay, next why are used for the symbols? The symbols is a represent the shortened form. Okay, the elements represents the shortened form, so we are used the symbol. Okay, the most of the symbols are used. First we are used the Greek symbols. Greek symbol is a geometrical shape, that means it used the ancient Greeks. Okay, this represents the four basic elements. One is air, second one is first one is earth, second one is air, third one is fire, fourth one is water. Okay, next we are used the alchemist symbol. Alchemist symbols means in the alchemist for different materials we are used to represent the symbols. எப்படி எடுத்துக்கிறாங்க அப்படின்னா less valuable of metal into gold. This process was alchemy. For example, இந்த covering chainல நம்ம gold போடுவோம் இல்லையா, அதுதான் என்னது alchemist. Okay, next the Dalton symbol. The Dalton symbols, the John Dalton is discovered is the symbols 1808. Okay, the year was 1808. Okay, the name for various elements. It is difficult to draw, so we are not used this symbols: nickel, arsenic, antimony, water. Okay, next is a Berzelius symbol. Berzelius symbols in 1813, John Jacob Berzelius devised the system using letters of alphabet. We are used easy for method, so we are used the alphabet. So the modified versions of Berzelius system follows under the heading, that means system of determining symbols of the elements. So first point, mostly non-metals used for first letter of the English name. So English name la first letter use பண்றாங்க. Second point, if the name of the element has same initial letters of another element, ரெண்டு எலிமெண்ட்டுக்கு same elements இருந்ததுன்னா, so we are used the first and second letters also used for the element name. Okay, next is if the first two letters of the elements are the same, then the symbols consist of first letter and second or third letters of the English name they do not have in common. So we are used arsenic, antimony, chlorine, chromium, cadmium, calcium, we are used for this symbol. Okay, next is some symbols are used on the basis of their old names or Latin names of the element. There are 11 elements. Okay, this is copper, silver, gold, mercury, lead, tin, antimony. These are used for the 11 elements. Okay, next is a fifth point. Some elements are named using name of country, scientist, color or mythological characters or planet. Okay, we are used the is americium, europium, nobelium, iodine, next mercury, plutonium, neptunium. The americium is a country, so American symbol CAM. Next European means also country, so EU. Nobelium means is a scientist name, so NO. So iodine means is a violet colors represent the colors. Okay, so iodine I. Next mercury means Hg means god of mercury. Okay, next plutonium and neptunium is a planet. Okay, so we are used plutonium is Bu and neptunium is Np. Okay, we are used for this symbol. Okay, thank you students. Okay.